Do you apply your favorite perfume in the morning and leave the house, and by the time you reach the venue, you don't smell that perfume anymore? I feel you, but you know what? You can actually keep smelling good all day long, and there are a few tips and tricks that I would love to share with you guys. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Banerjee, and today I'm going to share with you a few perfume hacks that will help you keep smelling good all day long. The first hack is something that you might know already, but I would love to mention it to you once again, and that is you can apply and you should apply your favorite fragrance or any fragrance that you have directly on your pulse point. Guess why? Because the pulse points actually generate heat, and fragrances actually react very well to heat, and that will actually help you keep smelling good all day long. Talking of pulse point, if you don't know already, let me just mention them to you. They are the inner portion of your wrist, behind the ear, your neck, your inner portion of your elbow, the behind the knee area. All of them actually generate heat, due to which the fragrances actually react very well to the heat, and it will help you release that scent throughout the day. The second perfume hack is actually applying your favorite fragrance right after shower. What happens is when you are just coming out of the shower, the natural moisture of your skin will lock that fragrance, and also there's a tendency that your pores are open, so it will actually stick to your skin very well. However, if you take very warm shower or like hot shower, then you can wait for a while for your body to actually cool down and come down to the normal temperature, and then you can go ahead and apply your fragrance. Because if you are coming out right out of the hot shower, the top notes of the fragrance might be ruined. So yeah, it is amazing if you just come out of the shower. If it is normal shower, just go ahead, just apply your favorite fragrance right then, and it will actually help you survive the day without your smell and scent and favorite perfume smell just vanishing away in the air. Talking of shower, do not go ahead and just directly apply the fragrance. You can actually help your fragrance last much longer if you go ahead and apply a good moisturizer, but it needs to be unscented. Like I usually use this Clinique moisturizer, or you can go ahead and use any unscented moisturizer that you have and apply it on your pulse point, and then you can go ahead and spray the perfume on the pulse point. And in fact, one of my favorite moisturizers to apply underneath the perfume is actually the Vaseline petroleum jelly, because in general oilier skin tend to hold on to perfume much better, and the Vaseline petroleum jelly will actually exactly create that base for your skin. So when you come out of the shower, apply some unscented lotion on the pulse point or all over your body as you please, and then you can go ahead and spritz that perfume on the body and your pulse points. Next perfume hack is actually layering up your scent, and by that I do not mean go ahead and grab a few bottles of perfume and start layering them up. But by saying that you can and you should actually layer up your scent, I mean that when you're showering, use the shower gel. When you're applying the moisturizing lotion, use that moisturizer and your scent of the same fragrance notes. Like good brands like The Body Shop, Bath and Body Works, Calvin Klein, they actually produce bath products and fragrance products of the same notes, and I have a few examples for you guys right here. In fact, like you can see, the Body Shop strawberry range. Here's the shower gel, here's the moisturizing lotion, and here's the body mist. If I actually go ahead and layer these up and apply it one after another, it actually helps them stay for so long. Or another example that I have right here is by Bath and Body Works, and this is the shower gel, the scrub, and the lotion, and you can go ahead and get the same note perfume as well, and that will actually help you keep smelling good all day long because they are of the same top notes, middle notes and low notes, and you're just layering the same scent one on top of another, and that will definitely help you keep smelling good all day long. One thing that we have done all our lives and we have seen our grandmothers do it is once we have actually spritzed that perfume on our wrist, we tend to go ahead and rub our wrist together, and that is a great mistake that you do. And that brings me to the next hack and more like a suggestion, and that is do not rub your wrist together, because what that does is once you are rubbing the wrist together, you're actually crushing the chemicals and the molecules that are present in the fragrance, and not just that, you're also actually crushing the top notes, that is the the notes and the fragrance that actually holds the most amount of tendency to help you keep smelling good all day long. You're crushing those notes as well, and that will actually lessen the longevity of your perfume. And not just that, it will actually slightly change the original scent of your perfume. So if it is a spray perfume, just go ahead and spritz it on both your wrist and do not rub it together. And if it is a roll-on perfume, in that case just dab it on your wrist. Do not go ahead and vigorously rub it on your wrist or on your pulse point, because that is going to lessen the longevity of your favorite perfume. The next hack that we have is that by saying that you should actually spray it on your bare skin, I do not mean that you should not spray it on your clothes. The fiber of your clothes actually tend to hold on to the fragrance for a really long time. So just go ahead and spray it on your skin and also on your clothes, because you might know it already, or if you have noticed it already, that if it is a good perfume, it tends to stay for a really long time on your clothes, sometimes even after washing. A big mistake that many of us do is actually going ahead and storing our perfumes and our mist in the bathroom, and that is a big mistake. You should really not do that, because fragrances can break down in changing temperature, moisture and light, and that is exactly what happens inside of a bathroom. So you should go ahead and store your favorite bottles of perfumes, deodorants and mists in a cool and dry place, because that will actually help your fragrance and perfume stay intact, not only on your skin and body but also in the bottle and the container of your perfume. The last hack that I have for you, yes, that's a hack, and that is you can actually smell as good as your perfume, not just through your body but also through your hair. And hair, since you tie it up, you can tie it up, and once you reach the venue you can just open your hair, and that will just elevate the whole perfume game to whole another level. And that is why you can take your hairbrush, just spritz some perfume on your hairbrush, the one that you have also applied through your body and your clothes. You can just spritz some of that on your hairbrush and just brush through your hair. And hair actually also tends to hold on to the perfume for a really long time, and that will also help you keep smelling amazingly good for the whole day. And that was it for the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. I filmed after around 2 weeks. It feels so good to be back, and I love you guys so much. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. And not only, you don't really spray perfumes just while you're going out. Some of us, especially me, I love to keep smelling good all day long. And if you're staying with your spouse or your friends or your family in general, smelling good is such an important thing. Even if you're staying alone, who wouldn't want to keep smelling good all day long? And I really hope these tips and tricks and hacks actually helped you out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye guys.